and the aftermath. Is it time for hot showers? Hot showers for little girls? We'll go in and get in the hot shower.
It's okay, don't worry. Don't worry.
Are you all wet? Is she all wet? Here, I'll take that one.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Let me see your shoes. Can you hold on to mommy for a minute?
Shoes off. Careful, Mom.
Oh. Okay, okay.
Hot shower coming. Huh.